Kynhun ki Myntri ke Jillahin ke Sdang ke Mynjur ke Meghalaya multi-sectoral project for adolescent well-being, empowerment and resilience Mpower ke jingsmu jongkani ke project ke long banpin ke ladur ke rukom jongki Samla ke Jilla. Banpin tiknai ke jingya linti ke berjob nak ke balet skul syakabat rekam bat bankinti wikila jingrap nak ke Bynta ke kot ke Khie bat ke bha kamyat jongki. Hakani ke program kanuan rakru iki coordinated multi-sectoral interventions na kebenta ki Khynnah Samla ki bahapok karta kendai haduk khat kendai snem. Ban pai kmat halor kumno ban pinwan dor ya kalawai jongki bat bikin la ban yeng halaki jongki kejat.
The government has constituted the agencies in the name of State Human Development Council to be headed by the Honorable Chief Minister. It is just like a governing body. And below that, again, in the state level, the executive committee level, Chief Secretary is the chairman of that committee. And also we come down up to the district level where all the respective deputy commissioner will be the head of these committees for implementation of this new initiative.